set that tension just like that. And the first step is we're gonna bring this arm back just like this. And you'll feel that pull right away. And we wanna get this motion first, then we'll slowly drop it in. And we're gonna hold that for a 5 to 6 count. And the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get some depth in, and you're not gonna back off, and then you're gonna set some tension with your thumb. And the key first is you wanna bring this motion back just like this, and I'm going very, very slow. And that's forcing that capsule to go. And the first motion when these shoulders are really bad is you're just gonna try to get this motion first. That's the first thing that I'm opening up. Good. As we said, you wanna get full depth and you're not gonna back out. This is where it needs to go. So you're in here, you're over top, and sometimes if you're having trouble getting some of that depth, you can lean over with your body. That helps you get in there a little deeper, and then you can set your tension just like that. Bring that back nice and slow. We're not in a rush here. As we bring that back, see how that comes back further? And once you get some of that motion, you can slowly drop it with this other one, and our tension is gonna be leaning with that body. And when it's really bad, at the end here, I will lean on that for about 5 or 6 seconds to open that up.